bananabook.net. iPhone tutorials.
Let's see now how to choose locking and control center settings. Tap on Home button. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap Auto Lock. Tap the interval, for example, 1 minute. Tap General. Tap Settings. Tap Control Center. Set the Access on Lock screen, switch to on or off, as needed. Set the Access within apps, switch to on or off, as needed. Tap Settings. Voila, you are done.